Meanwhile, the Philippine Coast Guard also reported a generally peaceful and orderly sea travel to the provinces for the weekend of Undas. The Coast Guard likewise remains on full alert for the exodus back to Metro Manila of those who spent Undas in the provinces. Ria Fernandez reports.
After the All Saints and All Souls Day, the Philippine Coast Guard has remained on full alert status today. According to PCG spokesperson Commander Arman Balilo, people has started traveling back home after visiting the graveyard of their dearly departed loved ones.
Tala ng Coast Guard, merong 143,789 na bumiyahe kahapon. Expected natin to dahil iba may mga pasok na ngayong araw na to. Pero kaninang umaga na data ng Philippine Coast Guard, meron ng 10,527 na naglakbay hanggang ngayong alas 12.
Generally, all ports in the country were in good situation during the past All Saints and All Souls Day.
The past few days, maging nung Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, relatively peaceful naman yung mga ports o mga seaports natin sa buong Kapuluan. Kanina meron lang ding report na drift na 5 tao dito sa may Cagayan de Oro pero na-rescue rin naman.
Meanwhile, a weather disturbance named Typhoon Paeng has been sighted at the Bicol region. With this, PCG monitors possible rise of sea waves to ensure the safety of travelers. PCG will remain under alert until tomorrow, November 4. For the People's Television, Ria Fernandez.